The 5 biggest mistakes that you should avoid when starting your permanent jewelry business. Number 1 would be to not take the risk. 5 years from now, you're gonna look back and you're gonna say, you know what? I wish I did that. I wish I did that. I wish I took that leap, trusted my intuition and gut, and you just never know unless you try. The second mistake that I would avoid as a permanent jewelry artist starting your business would to be do not hire friends or family. I know this might be a little controversial, but when it comes to business, business is business. Even though it's always good to have extra help, they can help you in different areas when it comes to your business. Third mistake that I would avoid when it comes to starting a permanent jewelry business would be to not staying consistent. You need to stay consistent when it comes to social media. Social media is a power within itself. You may not think people are seeing your content. Word of mouth is huge. Social media is huge, and you need to stay consistent. The fourth mistake that I would avoid when it comes to starting a permanent jewelry business would be not doing pop-up events. Pop-up events are amazing and a great way to get your brand out there, to get your name out there, to meet other business owners with like-minded ideas, especially if you do want to start training people and you do want to start helping other permanent jewelry artists. You want to show everyone that you're working with the quality that you bring to the table. The fifth mistake that I would avoid when starting a permanent jewelry business would be to not have a good supply list and a good vendor connection. You want to make sure that the quality of materials that you implement in your permanent jewelry business is top quality. So make connections. I meant to say great,
I think I'm distracted.
what's the word?